stuff. Oh, what's up guys, and welcome back. Where is all stuff in this house? I cannot see anything. So I think the owners just took all the stuff and left. So yeah, let's go check this place out. There's also some big barns. So and yeah, the weather is hot today, so I'm a little bit sweaty today. So I'll not walk too fast today. I'll walk slowly so I'll not get sweat. So yeah, let's get started checking this place out. There's also big barns we need to look at. So yeah, let's get started. Big kitchen has been here. I think there was a big family that was living here, working on the fields. It's almost ready to move in, this house. You can see the barns behind there also. We're gonna check that later. But first, the house. Check the door, it's just old. Paint falling off, so it has been standing some years. And yeah, very good weather in Denmark. We can look outside here. And the old garden here. And the birds are singing. So yeah, it's very good. Oh, there's hanging a lamp only here. Nice lamp. That's an old lamp. Golden lamp. There's been cats living here also. Cats and dogs and everything. Oh, something under here. Oh. Nothing special down there. Maybe a suitcase with a lot of money inside. Oh, nice looking bathroom. A lot of insects. And nice looking clean toilet. Not so bad. Just need a little cleaning and then you'll have it. And yeah, as you can see, they have blocked the window, the broken window. So maybe one time they tried to keep people away from the house, but now they just give up, you know. Oh, this stairs going straight up. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, we're up here in the attic. Oh, I hope so. I don't fall down. Oh. Oh, it's up here. It's hot. Way down. Let's try to make my wall down here. I don't hope. Something down there? We don't know. Let's go look. Oh, I can walk here. I'll walk on this. Oh! I can just hear the wood is saying. Maybe I'm getting a little too heavy, man. Oh, nice place. Little working place here. It's very hot up here. There's still a few stuff here. Not bad at all. Old shoes. Not so much to look at. Oh, old nice bag. Oh, nothing inside it. But old, good looking bag. Old blue door. Oh. Someone tried maybe to hang themselves here. Oh, they have problem with the water. Dripping up from there maybe. Yeah, there's a hole up there, you can see. If I do like this, you can see the sun. Follow the light. So yeah, let's continue the road. Oh. Let's go to the barns and have a look. Oh, it's going like straight down this ladder. Well, but we just go this way down here. Oh, it's more cold down here. I can already feel the cold. So yeah, let's hang the jacket there. Nice house. I can imagine the big living table here, what is called the dinner table here, and a lot of good food. And then a living room in there with television, stuff like that. Yeah. Let's continue. Enough talk, Casper. Oh. And yeah, they had a little house there for all the tomatoes and carrots and cucumbers, and yeah, maybe they make them by their own. I believe so. So yeah, let me go the way back here. Oh. Everything's just growing here. There's one way there, and there's also a road here. I found out. There's a nice house over there, but we will not check that. But we will check this barn. There's a way in there, and there's a way in there. Also over there. So I think we will take this road over here. Oh, that's big barns. Oh. So quiet in here. Oh, I can use these tires for my car. They are pretty new, as I can see. Very good. Old flat TV, computer screen. All the doors they have here. Maybe they had their own chickens here. Fresh egg every morning. Oh, I love eggs. I eat 2 eggs every single day. On bread. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. Let's go inside and look. In chicken's home. What's up, chicken? Are you home? No, you are not. Oh, there's also beers. There's a suitcase here. There's a lot of stuff here. But I wonder what there's in this. Oh, this is from a gun, from a pistol. Oh, nothing exciting today. Maybe there will be monies everywhere. Oh, look at this. Garfield. Oh. Oh, there's footsteps here. It's not mine. No. It's bigger feet than mine. Nice place. And some furniture here. Nice chairs. Is there some? Oh, Silala. What's up, Silala? You make steel furnitures nowadays? I don't know. I don't know that brand. Silala. Oh, it's just the wind. Ow. Cannot open this. I think we have to go to the other door from outside. So yeah, let's let's go that way instead. And it's over there. It's over there. So see you there. Oh. Whoa! Oh, that's a bird. Oh. Oh, don't fly into me. Oh, I got a heart attack. This bird's flying around. Oh, now I'm scared. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's fly out. Oh. Damn, I'm not used to anything activity in this place like this, and then I see a bird flying around very fast. Oh, it's creepy. Let's see if there's a beer here I can relax in the couch. I saw no, there's no beer in here. Oh, what is this? It's a bat. Damn. Oh, that's some old roses. They are dead. Let's continue. Nothing special in here, only nice couches and paint. Cleaning products maybe. Used to be a working room in here. So yeah, where is it all gone? Oh, does the water works? Maybe. It's just the rest of the water that is. Maybe. I don't think there's more. Alright guys, that was the place. I hope you enjoyed, as I did. I know there was not so much things inside the house and in the barns, but we need to give it some love, you know. So yeah, share the love and stay safe and sharing the love. So yeah, I'll go inside the couch and have a little nap before I ride along again. So yeah, let's see each other in the future and have a good day. So yeah, see you. I'll sleep now.